How to log in into Milestone Credit Card account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Milestone Credit Card Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, Milestone Mastercard. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of Milestone. Now over here, you're going to find different credit card of Milestone. From here, you can easily apply for the card. Likewise, to log in, click on these three bars. Click on the option of My Account. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your account. All you have to do is type in your credentials. So go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Username or Password and recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option Register Your Account and do that. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log in into Milestone Credit Card account online. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.